Hi, Stephen. My name is Ashley, and I work with downtown marketing. And I was doing some research in the area of HVAC companies, and I came across your website. And I wanted to reach out because I wanted to quickly show you how you can easily beat out your competition online with a few tips. And I want to show you what's working well for your competitors and how you can do the same, and so much more than that. And I don't want to take up too much of your time, but at the end of this video, if you wouldn't mind responding to the email with some feedback about the video, I'd really appreciate it. And this is something you feel like we could dig into some more with some information, just feel free to shoot me a message or give me a call, and we can definitely get started. If not, that's absolutely fine. No harm, no foul. I hope the information I give you can help increase your business. So the first thing I want to kind of go over with you is some content on your website. And I'm pulling up the first page of the website. It looks, aesthetically great. It's just there's a couple of things that I could see was there's not a lot of content on the front page. And depending on the competition and the number of keywords needed, it would probably be better to have about 1,500 to 2,000 words on the front page alone, just to be able to kind of stick in a lot of those important keywords for you. And a keyword is anything someone might type in Google looking for a particular service or product. So if someone was looking for, like in your case, heating and air type situation, then that would be a lot of what the target keywords would be. And in your content you can place keywords throughout to tell Google exactly what terms you're wanting your website to be found for. Like I said, I know there's a lot of plumbing and electrical information, but also you could add things in terms of the air and heating and air situation. So another thing I want to kind of touch on is the backlinks of the page. And the backlinks is anywhere you find your website linking to another through a clickable or hyperlink text. Just say there's a blog someone did based on like local HVAC companies type of thing, and they added your website as a hyperlink in their story, and it links back to your page. And these links act like an endorsement of your website from others, which Google uses to build trust in your business by seeing others vouching for you. And that's really important because it's literally like a popularity contest where whoever has the most wins. But also there are some cases where there are certain backlinks are not helpful at all. So it kind of depends. And so I wanted to show you kind of what a backlink situation looks like. And I pulled up your website through a program that we use specifically for that information. Right now it looks like that you have about 165 backlinks from various places linking back to your page, which is great. And that's a lot of places that are showing that they either trust you or things like that, putting your information. But I pulled up an area competitor, Maddox Air, and they have 303 backlinks. So that's a lot more, almost double backlinks that you have on for your site. So that means that there are a lot more referring back to their page from another story or website, something like that. So just to kind of give you an idea of what backlinks can do for you. And then also there is a situation where citations are important as well. And citation is anyway your business name, number, and address are shown exactly as per your Google business profile. And a citation helps rank in the map pack, and I'll kind of give you an idea of what the map pack is. That's where you pull up, say I typed in heating and cooling Lynchburg, and if that's what you're being, known for, then it would, if you're ranking high enough and Google, you're high on the Google trust, then this right here is where you want to be in the top 3. Because then that really puts your business in the spotlight in terms of like someone's searching for that. And they're in the top 3, so they must be, pretty reliable or things like. So it kind of gives the potential customer, in their mind that you are trustworthy and will do the job. And so the citations help rank in the map pack, which is extremely important for local businesses since these can generate huge amounts of revenue. Again, that's what I said. There's like, it's a thing where customers will look at it and think that that's where they need to go to is one of these top 3. And so a couple of directories, citations include like Yelp, Angie, BBB, and of course social media accounts can be really important too. And the idea is that your brand begins to be found by Google all over the internet, And the larger your online presence is, the more Google trusts you. And once Google sees you more often than the competitors, the more likely it is that you can rank above them, which is the idea behind gaining more revenue and customers. And then once your content, backlinks, and citations come together, you start to outgrow your competitors. And like I said, in terms of backlinks and keywords, you have 991 keywords on your page, which is great. And I imagine that a lot of them are maybe the electrical side or the plumbing side, which are great. But where it refers to the heating and cooling side of it, I don't know. I'd have to do some digging to see if that's what you were being pulled up for. And that's also potential customers for you to also have. Because right now it's only bringing about 161 potential customers through on your website a month. Whereas Maddox is bringing a little bit more to 197, and they only have 108 keywords, but they have more backlinks. So it's a numbers game, and it would be ideal to be able to pull up and see if there was an opportunity to have more keywords showing for the other side of your business, and maybe even gain more traffic. So I'm not sure what your margins are, but I imagine that will generate some pretty decent revenue as well. And also, there are many more keywords that we can use to generate more traffic and more leads. So, and I do this for a living, and I'm creating this video to help you to start generating those leads online. And if you find yourself wanting to continue scaling as far as you want, just feel free to reach out and I can help you with some more information, or we can talk about your goals and I can do the research to find out exactly what could be realistic for your business and what it might take to reach those goals. Again, my name is Ashley and I'm from Downtown Marketing. And if you could leave me just a line of feedback, letting me know if this was helpful or not, feel free to reach out. Otherwise, I hope you have a great rest of your day.